Looking for a smarter, faster way to grow your crypto without the constant monitoring, stress, or guesswork? Finotraze is the cutting-edge, AI-powered platform tailored for Canadian investors who want to build their crypto portfolios on autopilot. Using advanced automation and real-time market analysis, Finotraze allows you to earn daily profits, even if you're completely new to trading. With potential daily returns ranging from 110 to 550 Canadian dollars, the system runs 24/7 to find and execute the best trades for you. No experience needed, no manual trades, just smart, automated results. And it gets better. Users can achieve monthly returns of up to 70%, making Finotraze one of Canada's most trusted and high-performing crypto automation tools. Ready to start? Tap the link in the description to unlock your exclusive bonus and be among the first Canadians to experience the full potential of Finotraze. Finotraze operates around the clock, powered by intelligent AI that scans global markets, analyzes trends, and executes trades with incredible speed and precision. It's 100% automated, built to reduce risk while maximizing returns, whether you're a first-timer or seasoned investor. With infrastructure based in Canada, Finotraze fully complies with Fintech, CRA, and Canadian privacy laws. Your data and funds are secured with industry-grade encryption and advanced security protocols. That means your information stays protected right here in Canada. Thousands of users across the world rely on Finotraze for consistent, hands-free crypto income. The platform is praised not only for its performance, but for its user-friendly design that makes crypto investing accessible to all. Just imagine waking up to a growing portfolio. No stress, no charts, and no complicated decisions. Don't wait. Click the link, claim your bonus, and be one of the first in Canada to unlock Finotraze. Built on 3 pillars: trust, security, and advanced technology, Finotraze meets both Canadian and global compliance standards, including strict AML anti-money laundering frameworks. The platform integrates smoothly with major exchanges like Binance and Coinbase, allowing you to connect your existing wallets and start trading in minutes. Its core algorithms are developed and optimized by expert fintech engineers, constantly adapting to market trends to help minimize risk and boost performance. Need assistance? Our Canada-based support team is available 24/7, ready to guide you from sign-up to advanced trading features. If you're serious about building passive crypto income with a platform that's secure, intelligent, and Canadian, now's the time. Click the link, claim your bonus, and join the first wave of Finotraze users across Canada. Discover Finotraze, Canada's AI-powered crypto bot for effortless, smart investing. Thank you for reading, and best of luck on your journey with Finotraze Canada Edition.